This is our pepper plant. As you can see, the leaves on this plant look good. The peppers are ready to be pulled off, and life seems to be going good. But that was several days ago. My question is, why is half of my plant dying? When we did this, life was good. But now we have a problem with our plant, and I have no idea what the problem is. Yes, I get that it's hot here. Every day is hot, between 90 and 100 degrees. But I don't think our plants, especially a pepper plant that is designed to be growing in a tropical area, should be wilting like this. Two days later, 50% of our plant is wilted. What do these white lines mean on the stem of the plant? I have no idea. Is it anything at all? So my question is it the very hot, direct sun? Could I be watering every other day and it's just not enough? Could it be some kind of fungus wilt? Or something I just read called verticillium wilt? Is it a disease at all? This is my calamansi plant. I just noticed that it has the same kind of white lines going up the stem just like my pepper plant. What does that mean? I don't know.